echo something through. In the night times change the pain. Shivering in frosty breeze. Ice clings gently to the tree. With that dances in the air. Winter's whispers everywhere. Stars are twinkling all so bright. In the depths of quiet night. On a path where shadows go. In the world of pure song. Lost in dreams of once embrace. Chez la Neige, we find our place. Frozen whispers share a song. Through the night we drift along. Candles flicker in the chill. Frosted windows breathe and fill. With the tales of days gone by. Underneath the inky sky. Stars are twinkling all so bright. In the depths of quiet night. On a path where shadows go. In the world of pure snow.
Soft rain falls tonight. Whispers in the sky. Lo-fi beats go by. Dreams begin to fly. Cold window pane. Heart feels the same. Lost in the rain. Calling out the name. Lo-fi rain girl. In a cozy world. Soft beats on fire. Open on this world. Lights dim and low. Time moves so slow. In the rain she'll glow. Heartbeats start to flow. Gentle rhythms play. As the night turns gray. She takes me away. To a lo-fi day. Lo-fi rain girl. In a cozy world. Soft beats on the floor. Round and round this world. Oh. Rain falls gently down, soft sounds all around. Quiet streets asleep, a dream so deep. Raindrops on my face, finding my own place. City lights and mist, silent moments kissed. Lo-fi beats and rain washes all my pain. Chill and drift away into a cozy day. Pitter patter song, night feels not so long. Thunder hums its tune, dances with me. In the calm I stay, let the rain replay memories of mine. In the quiet I find lo-fi beats and rain washes all my pain. Chill and drift away into a cozy day.
Snowflakes falling on the ground, silence wraps us all around. Footsteps that go soft and slow in the nighttime splendid glow. Shivering in the frosty breeze, ice clings gently to the trees. Bright that dances in the air, winter's whispers everywhere. Stars are twinkling all so bright in the depths of quiet night, on a path where shadows go in the world of purest snow. Lost in dreams of once embrace, Chez la Neige, we find our place. Frozen whispers share a song, through the night we drift along. Candles flicker in the chill, frosted windows breathe and fill with the tales of days gone by underneath the inky sky. Stars are twinkling all so bright